In this video, we will go over how to set up and use your Scholarship Universe account. When you go to kettering.scholarshipuniverse.com, you will be directed to this login screen and you will select Create Account. This is your account information, and I recommend using your Kettering email address to set up your account, since all correspondence from the Financial Aid Office will go there once you start at Kettering, but you can use whichever email address you would like to. Your student ID number is the 9-digit ID number that will start with 702 that you can find on your acceptance letter and your award letter. When all of your information is filled in, select Create Account. You'll be directed back to the login page where you can fill in your username and your password. Select Login. This is your Scholarship Universe account, and you can just select I'm ready, and you will be directed straight to a series of questions to begin matching you to scholarships. After each question, the matches and opportunity boxes in the top right corner will be updated with the new scholarship opportunities. At any time, you can exit the questions and see the scholarships you've been matched with by clicking the Matches box. And this is the list of scholarships that you're eligible for. To read more about the scholarships, you can select the View button. To be directed to the scholarship website, you can click the Apply button, and that'll take you directly to the scholarship application. Right here, you can save scholarships to review later by pinning them. You can review the scholarship statistics, or you can select that you're not interested in the scholarship through the buttons on the right-hand side. If you would only like to see the Kettering scholarships or the outside scholarships, you can go up here and select Filter. This box will pop up, and underneath Type, you can select All, School, or External. So if you select School, then you'll only see the ones offered by Kettering University. Each time you log into your account, this filter resets. So it's not like you will only ever see the Kettering scholarships if you select it this time. Make sure you select Apply at the bottom of that to have that applied. And then if you go to the left side and select Questions, you'll be able to see the answers that you gave to your questions so far. Answers may be locked based on information from Kettering's student database, and if you believe those questions should be updated, please contact the Financial Aid Office. You should be able to go in and update your GPA, your major, your academic level as those change. So you can select Edit on the right-hand side for any of those. If you would like to answer more questions to further match to scholarships, just select Answer More Questions, and you'll be taken back to that answer page, and you can move through those. An overview of scholarships is available through your dashboard page. Alerts of upcoming scholarship deadlines, as well as outstanding requirements such as thank you notes and additional applications, will be located in the Actions Required section here. Scholarship Universe will send you weekly scholarship updates to your Kettering email, and when you created your account, if you selected for them to be sent to your phone through texting. So this is what your email will kind of look like when you open it. And you can see 110 scholarships just open, for example, or that you have 15 applications that are closing this week. So if you are interested in going out and applying for these 15 applications or some of them before they close, you're notified each week, so that way you don't miss out on any opportunities you'd like to take advantage of. If you have any questions about creating your Scholarship Universe account, how to use it, you've been locked out with your password, anything like that, then please feel free to reach out to the Financial Aid Office. We are available Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. until 5 p.m.